Hello South Africa. Today is Friday, March 18, 2022, and here is news in a minute. Law enforcement cop gets 10 years for murder of undercover policeman and a suspect. Morne Horn, the Cape Town law enforcement officer who killed an undercover policeman and a suspect in the CBD, was sentenced to an effective sentence of 10 years imprisonment for the double murder. The Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation, HOPS, investigated the double murder, which took place on January 7, 2020. According to spokesperson Zinzi Hani, the deceased, Constable Sikku, undercover policeman attached to the Cape Town Central SAPS, was chasing two people in the city when Horn and his colleague Lubabelo Bom noticed what was happening. Sikku was killed on the scene near Standard Bank near Herengreg Street. Witnesses said Sikku tripped and punched Ndimfile Given Shaw, aka Bongoni Jack, who Sikku had been chasing at the time. Sikku had him on the ground when the law enforcement officers arrived, explained Hani. Horn said the deceased had pointed a firearm at him. Witnesses, however, denied this and said while they saw a gun under the deceased's t-shirt, he had not drawn it. Judge Francis, of the Western Cape High Court, rejected Horn's defense that he thought his life was in danger and said that as a trained law enforcement officer, he knew that he should only have used his firearm as a last resort. Horn was sentenced to 10 and 7 years for each count of murder, and the sentences will run concurrently. The accused, who is already out on bail, applied for leave to appeal against the conviction and wants to make a formal bail application. The matter has been postponed to April 12, 2022. This is Leah for the South African.